What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is David Benjamin from WellStar Reviews and Healthy Wild Free. Today we'll be reviewing the Inline Back Stretch Bench. This is from the brand Stamina. It's a fitness company, and basically this device is an alternative to an inversion swing or an inversion table or a yoga swing for that matter. So what's nice about it is it takes up less space in terms of like vertical space. It just lays on the ground. And to be honest with you, I was a little bit skeptical when I first started using this, but I'm actually quite impressed by it now, and I'll explain how it works and how you should utilize it. So basically, there are some bars here. This pops out and it changes the range of the bars. All that you're gonna do is put your back on this area here, and you're gonna lay in it. You're gonna place your ankles in here, and you're gonna lay down like this. And your feet should be locked in, meaning they're pulled up this way. So right here, your ankles, if I'm pulling on that, it should be tight on either end. So once I'm in there, right, I'm gonna pull up like this, and I'm gonna lay down. Now, these things are gonna go under your armpits like this, and then there's a crank here on the right-hand side, where if you pull the crank back towards your head, towards you, it's gonna stretch and lengthen your spine. And if you pop this way, down towards your feet, it's gonna release, kind of like when the chiropractor does that thing with the chair and it pops. That's the downward motion. So I'm gonna crank up 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Now I'm pretty tight in there, and you'll notice that if I go like this, I'm less tight. But if I wrap my arms around and put my pits in here, and then even pull, because what you want to do is you want to pull. So kind of like, for example, I'm pulling my arms out, and then I'm pulling my shoulders down this way. Okay, so wrapping around, and then once I'm tight, I pop this once or twice that way, the crank that way, maybe 3 times, and then I pull this way. I pull back towards my head. And when I say pull, I mean I'm literally hugging my armpits into these locks here, and then I'm pulling that up, and I'm feeling a nice stretch in my back and my spine. And particularly with me, I have one side of my spine that's a little bit tighter than the other. So what's nice about this is when I pull like this and I hold for maybe 15 or 20 seconds, I can actually feel the tension and tightness slowly pulling and releasing from that area in the spine. And you can just feel that loosening and that decompression. And decompression is such an important thing as we age. So I'm just going to release now, let that go. You can move this back up and sit up. And I can feel it in my spine. It is stretched. Like I said, I was skeptical of this device, of this unit initially. But what's nice about it is that, with an inversion table, it takes up all this room. And you're upside down and all this blood is going to your head, which isn't really, to be honest with you, that healthy. And with this device, you're laying flat and that little crank is pulling your spine. It's decompressing while you're laying down here. It's stretching your spine, and then based on your muscular control and how much sort of tightness you pull down this way with your shoulders will determine how much tightness and tension is released from your back. So it's really a one-size-fits-all in terms of how much tension you want to release, which is really nice because, with an inversion table, it's just going to pull down on your body weight, and whatever you weigh, it's going to decompress that, which that's fine. But with this, you're getting the decompression that you want based on how much you pull or how much you kind of tighten your shoulders, which is really nice because if you're really tight, you might not want to decompress with your entire body weight. You might want to kind of ease your way into it and work your way up. So this is a very sleek device. I think it's $180 on Amazon, and I'm actually pretty impressed with it. So this is once again, the Stamina Inline Back Stretch Bench. I will link it up on Amazon right below this video. And one last thing. If you're into health and fitness like myself, I'm a health and wellness coach at Healthy Wild Free, so check out Healthy Wild Free on YouTube. I put together a list of 20 different health and wellness brands that are beneficial for your diet, your gut, your recovery, your brain health, your sleep health, and so much more. I'm talking health and fitness products even barefoot minimalist shoes, red light therapy devices, and so much more. Hydrogen water machines, shower filters, the sea salt that has the lowest levels of heavy metals, and so much more. So if you want to visit that page, go to healthywildfree.com/shop. I'll put the link right below, pinned in the comment section. And if you want more health and wellness reviews, make sure to subscribe here, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.